Rogowski AC Current Probe RCP Series Unboxing and Operation Demo. The RCP Series Rogowski Current Probe measures AC currents up to 3000 APK, bandwidth up to 30 MHz, delivers 1% typical accuracy, able to measure high-frequency, large current signals easily and accurately. Inside the box, there is a Rogowski coil with an integrator and a standard adapter. We connect the adapter's plug to the socket, then connect the probe to the oscilloscope and supply it with power via the adapter. Next, we connect the probe to the object under test, making sure to avoid the coil junction area during measurement. The output will be positive when the current flows in the direction indicated. Finally, power on the test object and adjust the oscilloscope for normal testing.